How to apply for a Railcard online. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply for a Railcard online. There are several types of Railcard. You need to first decide which one fits your need. Now let's start it by going to the official website of Railcard. Open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type railcard.co.uk. Now press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Railcard. Here, once you reach to this page, at the top, you will find railcard.co.uk. Once you move your cursor to this, there you will be presented with various Railcard available. Here, you need to click on one of these to apply for it. Here, I am going with 16 to 25 Railcard. Once you have selected it, click on it to enter it. Now, you will be redirected to this page. In this page, you need to click on this Buy Now button. Once you click on it, again you will be redirected to new page. Here you will need to prove yourself as eligible for this card. Scroll down and here answer these questions. Here it asks you, are you a mature student? Click on this box to select it. After that, here you must select a duration for a Railcard, whether you want your Railcard for 3 years or 1 year. Once you have selected it, here at the bottom you will see choose a type of Railcard you would like, whether digital or plastic. The first one, digital, is recommended as it is the best option if you are traveling soon. Now once you have selected it, here if you have a promotional code, you can enter it in this box and then click on this apply code button at the right side to apply on it. If you don't have, leave it as it is. Again scroll down and here it asks you who is the Railcard being purchased for. Now if you are purchasing it for yourself, click on this first option. After that, here you need to read and accept the terms and conditions of Railcard. You may also click on this terms and conditions link and then review the terms and conditions. After you have done that, click on this box right here to state that you have read and accept the conditions. Now after doing that, click on this continue and now again you will be taken to a new page. In this page, you will find the required documents necessary for this Railcard application. Once you have read them, click on this continue button at the right side and finally you will reach to this page. Now here you will need to provide the necessary details to fill out this application form. As you can see, there are 4 steps. First one is to create the card. The second one is to register for it and then you will need to pay for that card. Then after you need to summarize. Now let's start by this page. In this first one you will need to select the title. Once doing that, in second you will need to enter your name. Enter your first name in this box and last name in this box. And after that enter your date of birth. Once you have done that, here you need to enter your UK phone number. Once you have entered your phone number, now click on this continue button right at the bottom and now you will reach to this page. Here it says to be eligible, you will need to be attending a recognized college or university for at least 20 weeks a year. Here you need to upload a scanned copy of your mature student application form and the National Union of Students card or your photo ID card of your university. You can click on this choose file option and then you can choose your file from your documents. After doing that, you can click on this continue button right here and proceed further. After that, you need to register yourself by providing the personal information and for any eligibility criteria for the specific Railcard. Now after that, you need to pay the fee associated with the Railcard and after that you can submit your form. And once your application is processed, you will receive your Railcard either digitally or by post. So make sure to check the specific eligibility requirements and benefits for the Railcard you chose. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.